Hello, my gardening family. I am here catching up some water to water my garden. I have a little late start this morning, but I am getting on nevertheless. I still have much to do. I did some stuff already. The worst thing is to have low water pressure in summer. You know, it slows you down. You have to water. Well, for me, I have to water very early in the morning because if the sun catch me by minutes to 7, dead story. That time I just out of it. The cool of the morning, the happier I am. In my hands right here I have some seeds that I am going to plant directly in this bed right here. I have the colored sweet pepper, bell pepper seeds, and I have some beetroots. You know, my beetroots that are planted inside here and over there, they literally sprout, because they weren't getting enough water, they died down. So I'm going to go at it again and just hope for the best, because sometimes things come up that you didn't plan for and things happen. So right now I'm just hoping for the best. I put some tomatoes inside here. You can see the scorch right now. They're looking scorch. I was wondering if that was a big mistake. Oh, so one of the surviving beetroot there. See another one there. So I might, so maybe more there, but not seeing them right now. Oh, so one covered right here, so alright, so yeah, I just put some random stuff inside here since the main plan was to have brassicas inside here and pak choy. The brassicas, you can see they're not doing well, so I am just letting them stay. If they die down and just feed the soil. Yeah, and I just but for these two right here, I may just take them out. Yeah, because they're attracting aphids to the bed. So yeah, I am just going to plant randomly anywhere in here. And oh, the mosquitoes, I'm telling you. I'm just going to plant them randomly. Of course, I'm not going to take you through the watering process. Look at this June plum under here. Look at the lizards too. A good thing I didn't put my hand around there. I don't remember if I saw this one before. I don't remember if I saw this branch before. Just hanging down, so I just spot it not too long. Guys, sorry. Oh my god, from a reaction to the mosquitoes, the bite hot, man. I think I'm going to light some fire inside here. Meantime, I may just burn these bush that I have raked up to take up. I need to first move these from here. And if any lizards in there. Ow. I forgot that this is soil, heavy. This garbage. I was going to put the others inside here. This is some coal in this bag. And some. Ow! Ow, ow, ow. The thing dropped down on me. Inside this bag is some coconut. Ow! Some coconut shell. I am going to use to help me catch fire. Oh, this is manure. It's not heavy. Oh. you know, let me put the hose to run in something meantime. So when I finish with the buckets, I'm just going to fill them up again and and then when everything full, I just let the hose run in something again until I empty out everything. I soon come, guys. I know you're probably not seeing me, but I come in. Hey, them lizards here not like me. No. My God, they're so presumptuous. It's very disrespectful. Alright, so put them in this. I'll put them in there. Let's get out of them terrible, man. Oh God. Should I start water already, no man? Ugh. I let them here go burn. Ow. Some of them dry out. Ah. Guys, it's not even funny. I'm not exaggerating about the mosquitoes. I am not. Mosquito them a bite me up for real. Like crazy. Oh, not even if that's a light. I don't know if it will catch fire. Should I put some newspaper or something? I don't even know where to find a newspaper. I'm such a mess. Ow! Jesus. How are you doing today, guys? How was your Sunday? Hope you all had a great Sunday yesterday. Ow! Alright, so I'm going to start the watering. So I'm going to come back to you. Alright? There's a smoke that I'm getting from here right now. It's not even funny. I'm not even going to laugh. It is better than nothing. Alright, so I'm just going to randomly plant these like I mentioned earlier. See what become of them. So I'm just going to put some holes. I'm going to take out this cabbage. I always see some bugs in this bed. I don't know if they're good or bad, but I always throw them out whenever I see them. Yeah. Take out this one too. That now work out at all. Ugh, if it's man, Jesus. Them here, me take them out. You know? I don't know. I need to clean up these. Mosquitoes still a bite me. If I'm moving, they get to me, but not so much. But because I'm literally one place right now, just going to make some holes and just randomly put whatever in wherever. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to, oh, water. We'll change this. Um, I'm going to purposely put the pak choy, not the pak choy, what they call the beetroots in the shaded areas, like these are the areas that I know when the tomato grows, they will shade them a bit. And the callaloo that are growing right here, yeah. So, oh, going to put some pepper. Put some pepper right here. Where? Alright. And put one there, so one here, so one here, so where again? And put one here, so too. Why me the thing me could have put more? Put one here, so man. Cause I gotta clean up those. One here, so. And one here, so. How? Put sugar the mulch a little. Alright, one here, so. Here, so. Maybe one can go here, so too. Maybe. No, leave there, so. Alright, I work with this. I thought I could put more. Alright, so guys, remind me that I'm filling up the buckets. I often forgot. Alright, the smoke, yeah man, smoke are gone. But it's not coming this side. Alright, I'll put three of these. Put one there, so. One here, so. Man, these mosquitoes. One here, so. One here, so. Alright. I can't soon remember where I put where. What? Look a bit of seed left back. One. I really don't mind. Because I know whomever I shared with, they're going to put them to good use. So it's neither here nor there. For me, alright. Purple one. And then the red one. Jesus. Don't call out the Lord name in vain, Stacey. Man. Oh, water again. Guys, I told you to remind me. Remind me. Alright. But the whole them done now. I'm putting out everything now. Wait. One leave back. Alright, I'm put one red one inside here, so. Let me put a red one inside here. Alright. So the rest are all them now. We're the beetroots. Guys, when I'm supposed to look at what's going on with the water, I'm not looking, and when I'm not supposed to look, I'm looking. I just changed the bucket and I'm looking already. So anyways, everywhere else going to be beetroot. Beetroot here, beetroot there, beetroot here, there, there, here. Why am I think they have more hole? Alright, we want to make one right here, so. And one more right there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put more beetroots inside here. But I'm going to wait until those sprouts so I can have, till they grow a little. So I can have successions. Yeah. So we'll cover up these. Oh, something in there. Them whole here look biggish. I am so disorientated because I have a late start. So you know the sun probably going to catch me a little. And then mosquito bite me up. Alright. Oh, just in time for the bucket. Guys, you remember the so you long cucumber that I had inside here that I said I was going to use for seeds? Well, I didn't take it out in time at all because you can see it it disintegrates, get covered in the soil and giving me suckers right there. So I'm going to take out these suckers and I am going to find somewhere to put them. Look at my zinnias. They're so pretty. So my garden family, I took out the purple corn that was in this half a barrel. So I am going to plant these inside there. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. Marie, from Marie Flowers and Gardening. Yeah, I'm planting these deeper. I have planted these deeper than the usual. So when heavy winds, they don't blow down. Well, they probably will still, but at least they will have a better chance. Deeper. Alright, so when I'm watering, those will get watered. Guys, sorry I can't take you along with me any further. I am going to have to speed up. So I won't be able to be back and forth with the camera, moving it here, moving it there, and yeah. I'll catch you in another one. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate your love and your support. Yeah. So until next time, walk good. Come garden with me now, man. And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.